Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at this gold. Right, we talked about gold giving us a drop anytime soon, right? So which we will be expecting. But before that, yesterday we talked about having a bullish move. That was on the night. We did analysis on the for the night, right? Talked about kind of going bullish a bit. Even yesterday, we actually talked about going bullish a bit, and today I also talked about gold giving us like a bullish move before we kind of get that draw. So that is what I am watching out for. Personally, I'm watching out for a gold to actually give me a drop. But if in case it does not give me that drop, it pushes, then no problem. We can see. But I think by tomorrow, gold will give us a bearish move. We can see two reasons why I'm watching out for that is that we can see one, price is actually at a level where we'll be getting a reaction. We can see that I've highlighted this level and we've majorly gotten a reaction at this level. So basically, we expect a reaction. Even price has given us that move. We can see that on the forward time frame, price is giving us that bullish move. So a reaction is playing out, which is dropping. So I still believe more drop is coming. Anyway, so this is the level I would expect price to drop. Secondly, is that there would be a major news that will be released, about CPI. I think 3 or 4 major news that will be released about this USD. So I mean, if the news turns out to be positive, if it comes out to a right, I believe gold will actually drop, thereby there will be a massive bullish move on this DXY or USD index, as we would call it. It should be a kind of good bullish move, thereby gold will drop. So that is another reason why I'm watching out for a drop on this gold. So let's see if gold will give us a bearish move. Now let's see the 4 hour time frame. So basically, price is dropping. Let's hope it does not go up more, because if it goes bullish more, then the setup that I will be watching out for, the plan that I've had to sell on this gold might get ruined. We just want to stay out of this trade. But if in case price continues to drop as we are all expecting it would, then we can go ahead and take the sell on gold. So let's watch out and see what gold will play out for tomorrow.